Now we are thinking about chemical business options. In that, today we are discussing about how to start Agarbatti making business. First, you should understand the market. It is advised that before starting any manufacturing business, it is mandatory to know more about the demand and the trends of the local market. Do market research and collect information regarding the market volume, who are your competitors, pricing, etc. This will help you in exploring the gaps existing in the quality in the industry and plan accordingly. Next point is create a business plan. In starting Agarbatti making business, it is important to craft a business plan among the various quality products. Decide which type of Agarbatti you will be making. Accordingly, you will need to select machines. In Agarbatti making also, so many fragrances will be there. Rose fragrance, jasmine fragrance, lavender fragrance, so many, which are, and sandalwood also, sandalwood fragrance also. By that, all these things you should think over which type is beneficial to you. Then only you can select that Agarbatti making. And it is recommended to have a business plan in hand before initiating the venture. Calculate the startup budget with a fixed capital investment like machinery, plant, etc. and working capital investment including manpower, raw materials, promotional cost, etc. Then determine your business objective and marketing strategy. Creating a detailed business plan will also help you in arranging finance for your venture. Name your business. A properly chosen business name goes a long way toward the success of any venture. Craft a catchy, memorable name for your Agarbatti company that customers can recall whenever they need to buy incense sticks. Name your business. That is most important. In that, you should have some moral ethics also. Because if you name one name, but you don't know other Agarbatti names, by that if you give a name, that name may be already there. That time what will happen? That previously having Agarbatti person will feel so much. It is a big disturbance. So don't do likewise. And have moral ethics and go to Agarbatti wholesale shops and all these. Verify how many brands are there, which type of names are there. Then unique name you select. But not unique name means in your local area you should be unique. Then only it is comfortable to you and to them also. So all should be successful, then you will be successful. That is, you should not forget. And the next thing is make your Agarbatti making business legal. Determine the legal pattern of the form and register your business accordingly. You need to register your business. You need to determine what business structure your Agarbatti making business will operate. And one thing I also will say that I am starting very well and very risk I have taken, but how long I can do? Don't worry about that. Once if your business is successful, you can sell your business to others for a goodwill also. Goodwill means more than your capital and investment also, you will get goodwill also. So that don't worry about how long it is, how long we have to do, lifetime I have to do or not. My sons are not cooperating with me, my grandsons are studying. Don't think about all these things. If you are successful, if you are very successful and if you want to settle financially well and you are not able to do for the time being means you can sell it to others for a goodwill. Goodwill means a profit is there with your businesses. Definitely everyone will, every business professional will purchase your business with a goodwill. Goodwill means he need not start a location, select a location and start the stationery and machinery and all these things and all these. Everything what you are doing, you are adapting to him so that he will get a good placement, so that you will get very good goodwill also for your cost of business. If you are planning to start a business in India, some popular business structures are proprietorship, partnership, LLP and private limited company. Also check the licenses and permits required to start manufacturing and market Agarbatti items with the local authority. In India, licenses like factory license, trade license, pollution certificate and GST registration is a must to start the Agarbatti manufacturing business. And next is selecting Agarbatti making machine. As per your business plan, select the machinery. Two different types of machines are normally used for Agarbatti making. One is semi-automatic and another is fully automatic. Nowadays it is better to take fully automatic. Suppose even though you are having very big work, that is packaging, packing, labeling and transportation, so many other works are there. So I am recommending only fully automatic Agarbatti making machine is well to start your business. Normally semi-automatic automatic Agarbatti making machines give an output of 35 kg and automatic Agarbatti making machines will give 70 kg per day. Normally you will be making up to 180 sticks per minute out of those machines. As per your desired length, output, the quality, choose the right one. Selecting the right machines for your Agarbatti making business is crucial to get success in the business. Next is raw material for Agarbatti making business. The major raw material for Agarbatti are bamboo sticks and different powders. Other materials are charcoal dust, jigat powder, nargis powder, wood incense powder, jose powder and several essential oils. According to the fragrance, you need to select the right formula. And next is pay attention to the packaging. A fragrance lock packaging system is important in Agarbatti making. A decent cardboard box will be needed for packing. You can source the raw material from any wholesale shop or from reliable suppliers. If you are a reliable candidate, you are paying in time, means your raw material will come to your location only without going other places and requesting them and paying there. Once if you request in phone, you will get everything. But you should have a good report and you should have some moral ethics also. You should maintain according to the word. You should pay in time. That should be there. Then a list of basic raw materials required to make Agarbatti sticks are the following. What are the raw materials required? List of raw materials are bamboo sticks, aromatic chemicals, essential oils, basically sandalwood and gelatin papers, perfumes, sawdust, jigat powder, jose powder, white chips, gigatu, packing materials, charcoal and nargis powder. Next is cost of starting Agarbatti making business. The cost will be largely depend on the production output. However, on a small scale, one can start the business in India with an investment as low as 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs with a semi-automatic machine. But I am recommending that it is better to take fully automatic machine. For a larger format, with an automatic machine, it can be 50 lakhs to 1 crore. Next is have a marketing plan. Talk to local distributors and create a distribution network to successful in the Agarbatti business. Set up the effective distribution network is extremely critical. Talk to local retailers and distributors and promote your product. Next is there is a big market for Agarbatti in the ASEAN, Middle East markets. Do some research and find out what kind of Agarbattis are performed or preferred in those targeted countries. Create a website so that customers can contact you from far off places. That is also important. This is the information regarding Agarbatti making business. So why I am personally saying is, before starting this business, first see YouTube videos, how to make agarbatti and all these. Then you can go 1 or 2 videos if you see, then you go to the Google text, how to start agarbatti making business. Text will come. In that text, what are the ingredients and what are the raw materials, what is the machinery you should equip all these things, naming conventions will be there. Copy that and make a project with your own. By studying all these things, make a project. Step by step process, location and equipment, what is the requirement, and raw materials where to purchase. All these things, if you have a study and if you maintain a project report, then you can start independently. But you should have the budget, that is must. But if you are interested to get good profits with a good legal work, this is the risk you should take. Wishing you all the best.